Hello! Today's tutorial is on the look for my TikTok and Instagram. Keep in mind the lighting is completely different, so the look might appear a little bit different, but I tried to follow exactly what I did to make it as similar as possible, and obviously my hair is different. Just want to start off by saying that I just microneedled my skin, so it's a little dry and flaky right now. If you see anything crazy with my skin, just ignore it. Honestly, I'm not even supposed to be wearing makeup right now, but I wanted to film this for you guys. We need a base for our eyeshadow. I'm using Tarte concealer. Any concealer is fine. Blending this out with an Hourglass concealer brush. Master mats the neutrals. A beautiful cool tone palette. Starting with this brown shade for my base with a Morphe M441. Tap off the excess. Make sure your eyelids are blended before you start. Applying the brown color in this outer eyelid area right here. I mostly like to tap it in because it blends so nicely with the concealer underneath. Picking up these two brown shades with a Morphe M433. Tap off the excess. Apply this shade into the crease area. I just noticed how beautifully this palette blends on its own because I'm barely blending since my eyelids are really dry from the microneedling. Back to the previous blending brush, and lightly go over this area to blend everything together. Picking up this dark brown with a Morphe M456. I already know what I'm going to say with this. Applying this color in the very outer corner right here. It's okay if it gets messy, we'll clean it up. Back to the M433, blending this area together. A brush like this one, this is from e.l.f. Picking up this white color. You'll start drawing on your crease and you can do whatever shape that flatters your face and whatever you like. I'm just going to recreate the shape that I did in the video. I did a very large and wide crease in the video, so I'm going to recreate that. Drag the white onto the eyelids and stop about here, and we'll blend this out later. This palette literally blows my mind away because this is very, very pigmented to be showing on top of these dark browns. Let's repeat on this side. And use tiny strokes to trace your desired shape. Your cut crease shape can be whatever makes you happy because different shapes give your face different illusions, so just experiment and find whatever look you like best. Apply the white all over the lid and you'll stop right about here, blending out this top area with the Morphe M441, blending this area with the Morphe M433. Picking up the black shade with a flat definer brush to draw on eyeliner. It does not need to be perfect because I'm going to smoke it out. Spectrum A12. Smoke out this eyeliner so it blends into the lashes. Kind of just want it to disappear. Huda Beauty Creamy Kohl to Tightline. Such a creamy formula. Curl your lashes before mascara. YSL Lash Clash. It helps to look down at a mirror to avoid getting mascara on your eyelids. Concealer to clean up underneath. Blending underneath my under eyes. I like to take the brush and just go like this to clean up underneath the wing. Blend all of this out. Going over it with the foundation brush, reapplying blush, outer puff and pat McGrath Baby Pink. Make sure the under eyes are blended. Gently pat this in. Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom. Dusting this off. Back to the eyes. Making it black with the flat definer brush and outline underneath your eyes. Blending it out with the Spectrum A12. Makeup by Mario Quartz. Apply this all over the eyelid. I like to use a brush to get into the hard to reach areas. Patrick Tashi Sculpted. Colourpop Flamingo. Natalia by House of Lashes. I cut them in half about this small. This is the inner corner piece. Picking up some more black. After the lashes are on, I like to draw on a solid thin wing. Leftover concealer over the lips. Huda Beauty Rich Brown. Creating these contour lines. Makeup by Mario Chelsea. Back to the lip pencil and re-outline the border as well as the contour lines. Sigma E75 to clean up the lips with foundation. Bottom mascara. One side setting spray. Eva NYC Glitter Spray. Just a little bit, it's really strong. Half Magic Rhinestones. Thank you for watching, I hope this helped.